Hello everyone, this is a question from paper 9701, paper 2, May-June 2015, question number 2, part B. This question follows: a flask with a volume of 100 cm³ was first weighed with air filling the flask and then with another gas Y filling the flask. Result measured at 26 degrees centigrade and 1.0 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal are given. So mass of flask containing air, mass of flask containing Y, density of air is given. Calculate the relative molecular mass of Y. So in order to calculate MR of Y, see, you are provided with temperature, you are provided with pressure, you are provided with volume. You need to calculate mass of Y in order to calculate MR of Y. So first of all, you need to think which formula is required to solve this question, which contain all these things. So here you require PV is equal to M over MR RT, and you can see from this question you are provided with pressure, and pressure should be in Pascal. You are provided with volume, volume should be in meter cube. You need to calculate MR, MR is a question mark, and mass is in the gram, mass of Y. You need to calculate mass of Y. R is from the data booklet and T should be in the Kelvin scale or in absolute scale. So to calculate mass of Y, you are not directly provided with mass of Y. Instead of that, mass of flask containing air is given, mass of flask containing Y is given. So how can we calculate mass of Y? One simple rule is, if we subtract mass of flask from this mass, we can have a mass of Y. So to calculate mass of Y, you need to subtract mass of flask here. So if you need mass of flask, you can see mass of flask is not given here. Instead of that, mass of flask containing air is given. So if you subtract mass of air from this mass of flask containing air, you can calculate mass of flask. So from here you will calculate. So how can we calculate mass of air? For this we are provided with density of air. As you know, density is equal to mass per unit volume. So we need mass of Y, so D into V, as D is given here 0.0018 gram per centimeter cube, and volume of flask is 100 centimeter cube. So you don't need to convert volume because this is gram per centimeter cube and this is centimeter cube. You get mass of flask, mass of air. So what is mass of air? It is 0.118. Now by just subtracting 0.118 from this, you will get mass of flask. And what is mass of flask here? By subtracting, you get 47.812. And by just subtracting 47.812, you will get your mass of Y, which is 0.177. So this is mass of Y. Now by just putting these values in a given formula, you will have your answer. Okay, fine. Putting the value of pressure, it is 1 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. Volume is given in centimeter cube, so you need to convert one more thing. You need to convert it into meter cube. So this is simple method to convert into any type of conversion. Simple method. Your volume is 100 centimeter cube as it is given in the question. 100 centimeter cube, you want it into meter cube. So the basic requirement, your answer in meter cube. So in which we want to get unit, in which we want to get answer, we put it here, and which we eliminate, we put it here. Now as you know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? So here 1 meter, by taking 1 meter cube of both sides, you will get 1 meter cube equals to 10 raised to power 6 centimeter cube. By just inserting these values here, where you put centimeter cube, you put 10 raised to power 6, where you put meter cube, you need to write 1, and you will get your answer of volume, which is 100 into 10 raised to power minus 6 equals to mass of Y, which you have calculated here, 0.177 into value of R is 8.31, and temperature you need to convert it into Kelvin, and see 273 plus 26, it is equal to 299 Kelvin. And now you need to find MR by just substituting value and solving it on the calculator. You get the value of MR, which is equal to 44.0. You will shift MR here and the rest of the things here. These are 0.177 into again 8.31 into 299 divided by 1 into 10 raised to power 5 into volume is 100 into 10 raised to power minus 6, and by solving this you get MR 44.0. I hope you understand this question. Thank you very much.